Email marketing can be a profitable venture if done strategically and ethically. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to make money with email marketing. Build a quality email list. Start by collecting email addresses from people who are genuinely interested in your products or services. This can be done through sign-up forms on your website, social media, or at events. Use double opt-in confirmation to ensure that subscribers are genuinely interested in receiving emails from you. Segment your list. Divide your email list into segments based on factors like demographics, purchase history, or engagement level. This allows you to send more targeted and relevant content. Create valuable content. Develop high-quality content that addresses the needs and interests of your subscribers. This could be informative articles, how-to guides, product updates, or exclusive offers. Make sure your emails are visually appealing and mobile responsive. Use personalization. Address subscribers by their name and tailor the content to their preferences whenever possible. Send personalized product recommendations based on their previous interactions. Implement an email marketing platform. Use an email marketing platform like MailChimp, Constant Contact, or ConvertKit to manage your email list, design emails, and track performance. A/B testing. Experiment with different subject lines, email copy, and call-to-action buttons through A/B testing to determine what resonates best with your audience. Automate your emails. Set up automated email campaigns, such as welcome emails, abandoned cart reminders, and birthday offers, to nurture your subscribers and drive conversions. Promotions and offers. Occasionally, send out exclusive promotions and offers to your subscribers to incentivize purchases. Make these offers time-sensitive to create a sense of urgency. Monitor analytics. Keep a close eye on email open rates, click-through rates, conversion rates, and unsubscribe rates. Use these metrics to refine your email marketing strategy. Compliance with regulations. Ensure that your email marketing complies with laws like the CAN-SPAM Act or GDPR, depending on your target audience's location. Engage subscribers. Encourage interaction by asking for feedback, running surveys, or hosting contests. Engaged subscribers are more likely to convert into paying customers. Cross-promote. Promote your email list on social media, your website, and other marketing channels to continually grow your subscriber base. Upsell and cross-sell. After a successful purchase, recommend related products or upgrades through follow-up emails. Monitor and adapt. Continuously analyze your email marketing campaigns and adapt them based on the data and feedback you receive. Scale and diversify. As your email list and revenue grow, consider expanding your email marketing efforts by testing new strategies and exploring new revenue streams like affiliate marketing or sponsored content. Remember that successful email marketing is about building trust and providing value to your subscribers. It's a long-term strategy that requires consistency and a customer-centric approach. Avoid spammy tactics, as they can damage your reputation and hinder your success in email marketing.